welcome back. I hope you all are having an amazing day. So I'm super pumped because it is Luxury Divas Day, y'all. This is one of my favorite boxes. I love it so, so much. So for those of you that do not know, Luxury Divas LD Accessories box is a, well, it's amazing. Absolutely amazing. I honestly do not know how to describe this box because you get clothing, you get literally any and everything from head to toe, hats to socks to scarves to wallets to earrings to makeup to leggings. What? I mean, beach towels, beach bags, just so many things. Shoes. They literally cover you head to toe. Umbrellas, all kinds of stuff, sunglasses. It is amazing the variety of items that you receive in this box. I do not know of any other subscription that gives such a vast variety of items, and it is absolutely amazing. And you can also go to their website. They have a website where they have hundreds of other products, and everything is always so beautiful. Now, for the subscription, I will put a link down below as well as a coupon code to save you $5 off. Now, if you want to purchase a one-time box, it is $35. Their subscription is $30 a month. But again, I have the $5 off code, and you can use that on the one-time box or the subscription. It's up to you. But either way, it will save you $5. So if you choose to do the subscription, your first month will only be $25. So like I said, that link and coupon code will be down below. So definitely check it out. I highly recommend it. I haven't even opened September's box, obviously. But I can tell you that this is absolutely one of my favorite subscriptions. I mean, favorite subscriptions, and it blows me away every month. So before we dive in here, I do want to remind you guys, we do have our 5,000 subscriber giveaway going on. So that link will be down below, as well as the giveaway where you can win a brand new Betsey Johnson book bag. That is in the thrift bag unboxing. And both of those end on the 22nd of this month. And then we do also have another giveaway with a makeup prize and a skincare prize. You could choose which one you would like to receive. That does not end until like the first week of October, so there's plenty of time. So go ahead and smash that subscribe button, become a part of our YouTube family, and like I said, join our giveaways and our unboxings, reviews, all kinds of fun stuff. Let's get in here because I'm dying to see what is in this box. So when you open it, this is what you see. So there is always, and I absolutely love this. I think that this is just something, first of all, you don't really see, I don't think, in any other subscription, but also just an amazing touch in the fact that they are still doing this as much as they have grown, I think is fantastic. And that is a handwritten note from the person that curated your box. So Marina has been my stylist for the last few months, so thank you, girl. She says, "Hello, Nikki. We look forward to your video each month, and we are all excited to see what you have to say about the September edition of the LD box. This month, we chose products that are meant to help you smoothly transition into fall and to get back to business. Now that the summer has left us, it is time for layering. I hope that you enjoy it. Love, Marina." I love layering, so I'm sure I'm going to love it. Love you back, lady. So let's get in here. They do always include their LD Insider little brochure. Sometimes it talks about the, it's just one page. Sometimes it talks about products that are inside the box, and sometimes it talks about other products. And then on the back here, we have our beautiful lady, boss lady, if you will, Deborah. She is the owner and everything. Like I said, she's the boss. But isn't she gorgeous? She's amazing. So then they always include a little treat. We got some gummy bears this month. Christopher will steal those. And then we always get a sheet that tells us about everything that is in our box, and it does give us pricing, which I think is fantastic. So then this here is what we see. So we have some tissue paper. Let's tear it open. Oh gosh, I already see like some goodness. What is this? This has a note. Hold on. This has a note. What are you? Oh, this is so sweet. This is not the first time they've done this, because it's not the first time I've extended my subscription. So I subscribed for 3 months at the time, and I just resubscribed to this. So this, I believe, is my 7th box. But it literally is a handwritten note that says, "Thank you so much for resubscribing to the LD box. This is just a little token of appreciation." And it's this gorgeous little pair of earrings. Aw, thank you. So cute. Okay, so let's dive into the box. So the first thing that caught my attention on top here is this gorgeous necklace. Oh, okay. Oh, it's good. It's a long necklace, which I love. You can see here. Isn't that beautiful? The leaf. Where are you at? Silver long filigree leaf necklace. Embrace the beauty of Mother Nature with your new filigree dipped leaf necklace. Effortlessly pair with anything from a blouse to a sweater for an instant element of style. It comes in silver, pink, gold, and gunsmoke. So glad I got silver. And it is valued at $20. That is beautiful. So, so beautiful. I love it. Oh, I'm so excited. We are off to a fantastic start. Not that I expected anything less. You guys, last month, Luxury Divas, I'm not even gonna lie, knocked it out of the park. We got leggings. Like, need I say anything else? All right, so then we have something here in this pouch. And this is, oh, it's a watch. Which way? Okay. Which way does it go? This is really pretty. Stainless steel watch with rhinestone bezel. Make sure it's not like reflecting. A fine mesh strap looks impeccably glam next to the wide detailed face of this day to night watch adorned with sparkling rhinestones. Available in silver, and this is $30. I love this so much. Let's put this on. I like bigger watches like this. And I definitely, again, I love that it's in that silver. Because I'm definitely more of a silver girl. I do like rose gold. The strap is different than any watch I've had before. Oh, and it's got a little thing here. That's nice to save, that's like stopping it, so it's saving the battery. Let's take that off. I'm like, it's not doing nothing. I had to push the thing in. Okay. Oh, I got my hair. I'm like, get in there. Okay, there we go. I put it on the wrong arm to be able to show you guys. Isn't that gorgeous? That is so gorgeous. And again, I love that it's a bigger face. I don't wear watches often, but when I do, I like them to be, this one is. So, yay. Okay. And then what do we have here? Lashes for Days. Lengthen and volumize waterproof mascara. Italia Deluxe Lashes for Days waterproof mascara. Create glamorous Create glamorously defined lashes day after day with Italia Deluxe 3D Mascara. Use your new mascara when you desire intense curl and volume from the top to the bottom of every lash. And this is obviously in black, and this is $10. So we got some mascara. Let's see. Then, oh my gosh, I'm loving this. A white and gray striped infinity scarf. Infinitely stylish. The addition of a circle scarf is a quick, seamless way to completely transform your look. A lightweight scarf creates a top layer that can be styled again and again without adding too much bulk. Figure flattering as it draws attention upward, framing your facial features. Use contrasting colors to base your layers for the most dramatic impact. And it was available in violet, orange, gray, yellow, pink, and brown. $17 value. Again, I'm glad I got gray. I'm into more browns or black, or I don't really do like yellow or pink. So thank you, Marina, for paying attention. But I love infinity scarves, but this, you guys, this is so different than any other infinity scarf I have, as it is super lightweight. It literally feels like t-shirt material, and I can't wait, because here in North Carolina, it doesn't get that cold where you really need like a big bulky like scarf. But this I can definitely wear and use, and I love it. So yay, I am so excited. I like taking the little thing off because this is going to go with my other scarves as soon as I'm done. So again, I'm so excited about that. All right, and then we have the LD Completely Spoiled Canvas Tote. The accessory that every diva needs in her life, our environmentally friendly shopping tote to handle your next trip to the market or overnight getaway. This bag will have you quickly ditching plastic so you can focus on what's most important, spoiling yourself and saving the planet. This is $20, and this is the way it comes. This is a nice canvas bag, and I love that it says completely spoiled because, you know. So I love this, and like I said, this is like nice fabric. Like, it's a heavier canvas, not like too like heavy, but sturdy and well made. You can definitely tell that. And like I said, I love that it says completely spoiled. All right, and we still have one more thing in here, y'all. It's like Christmas. This box just never stops. It's awesome. Okay, this is a knit open cardigan. Let me move the box. This transitional layer is ideal for taking you into the next season. This lightweight cardigan in a long silhouette has side slits to make movement a breeze. The front open top is made from a soft jersey fabric and offers endless cozy chic layering possibilities. And this is a $30 value, and it was available in blue or gray, and it looks like I got the blue, but it's like a gorgeous darker blue. Because like I said, I'm definitely into darker colors. Black is my favorite, I'll be honest. But this color, you guys, look at this. This is gorgeous. And the ribbed detail, I don't know if, can you guys see the ribbed detail here? And you obviously can see it's kind of sheer, woo, peekaboo. Because, so it will be lightweight, but it is a longer cardigan, and it does have the side slits there. Like, this is so cute. Let me see, to show you exactly how long. Like, I mean, it is, I love this color. Like, this is gorgeous, but it is longer, but it does have the slits it was talking about here on the sides, so it will flow. I love this so much. So we got this beautiful, beautiful cardigan. Like, I absolutely, even like, like I said, I generally prefer like black, I'll be honest. But this color is beautiful, and to actually bring some color to my wardrobe, I can appreciate, and it will look so cute with that scarf. We got this super beautiful watch. We got the gorgeous necklace, the mascara, the tote bag. You guys, this was like the never-ending box. And it has a retail value of $127. Right there. So this is our back to business box. Again, they nailed it. They do it every month. I don't know how, but they do. They do an amazing job every month, and I absolutely love Luxury Divas. So I will put a link down below, as well as that coupon code to save you $5 off either the one-time box or your first month of the subscription. I definitely recommend it. If you are looking for a box that is not really expensive, I mean, the subscription at $30 a month for $127, I mean, we got a scarf, we got, basically aside from pants and shoes, we got an outfit. We got a scarf, a necklace, a watch, we got the cardigan, mascara, we got a tote bag, just so many things. I absolutely love this so much, and I have no doubt that if you are on the fence about Luxury Divas for some reason, take the plunge. I promise you will love it. It is absolutely amazing. I have never been disappointed in Luxury Divas. Like I said, last month we got leggings. What? So, yeah, I love it. I love it so much. I do. So that link and the code will be down below. So head over and check out Luxury Divas. Even if you don't want to commit to the subscription, like I said, they have the one-time box option, or you can just head on to their website and purchase stuff directly. They have hundreds of items to choose from, and they're all fabulous. So I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.